After 53 years, the Trinidad Hilton pool has been renovated and upgraded. In addition to these upgrades, the water fountains have been outfitted with new LED lights. Minister of Trade Paula Gopi-Skoon said this renovation will increase revenue. Sherilyn Lewis reports.
When next you go to the Trinidad Hilton, you can expect to see an improved poolside. Minister of Trade and Industry Paula Gopi-Skoon said, as it stands, the Hilton is a 4.5-star hotel, and as such, the hotel standards must be maintained. She was speaking after a tour of the hotel's poolside on the completion of renovation works.
There's new furniture to come, but nonetheless, we're very pleased with the outcome, except for a few snags which have to be attended to. What we've done actually is paid attention to the hotel and to ensure that it is marketable. It is a 4.5-star hotel, and therefore all of the amenities must be in line with its rating.
Minister Gopi-Skoon believes this upgrade will bring in added revenue for the hotel.
We would have renovated substantially many of the hotel rooms, but the pool area remained the same. The entire pool has been done over and entirely gutted and redesigned and so on. And what it allows for is a lot of space available for rentals, for weddings and so on as well.
The renovation took 6 months to complete. The upgrades include a new pool deck, new Bose audio system, 3 5-couple cabanas, new pool surface, and a reshaping and redesigning of the pool. Additionally, the pool's traditional chlorine water treatment system has been converted to a saltwater system. Sherilyn Lewis, C News.